NREGS was a right-based program, which, according to Article 21, right to livelihood, anyone demanding a work could get job within 15 days. Otherwise, the government had to provide unemployment allowances. That they have changed, and they repealed the Manrega Act to make it a centrally sponsored scheme, VB Gram G bill, which the central government will decide which panchayat will get this particular scheme availed, which state can avail, and they changed the funding pattern from 90-10 to 60-40 with a switch off clause that any time they can switch off this particular thing. Now, had there been a Manrega, this displaced person, if they demanded a work, they would have got monthly wages of at least 400 rupees per day. Now they're providing 80 days. So that facility is not available to them now. And this is what we are fighting for. We have a 45 days program and we'll agitate across the country, and it will be in Manipur also. Till the VB Gramji Act is repealed, the Congress party will be on the streets and the parliament. So it's very, very sad. Like I visited this rehabilitation center, IDP center, and the displaced person, they are being living like cattle. And one room, they have curtains to divide families, 7-8 families in small room. The bathroom facilities are not available. Food used to be provided is not being available now. All the elders have gone out for migration. They have migrated from here. The children, the kids, the schools were available last year. The schools is not available this year. Very, very sad and unfortunate. The government had promised, Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji had promised, like within December of 2025, they will, all the IDPs will go back to their homes in multiple phases. But I think out of 60,000, only 1,000 people have gone back to their homes. They're very sad and unfortunate. Even after having a majority of 55 MLAs, they can't run a government and they have to resort to president's rule. Manipur people, they are very much proud people. They can't have the diktat from Delhi control their lives here in Manipur. They're very sad, and the government has to take care of this. We demand fresh elections. The assembly has to be, new election has to happen, and the assembly has to be dissolved. Only then a democratically elected government can come and solve the issue of the people. I will talk to my leaders, my Congress party president, Sri Kharge ji, and my leader of opposition. I'm a Lok Sabha MP as well. My leader of opposition is Rahul Gandhi ji. I'll explain. He has been here. Rahul ji has been to Churachandpur also. I will explain to him what exactly is happening, and the problem is that this is not getting any solution. It was the Ajay Bhalla ji, he had promised that by December 2025 in multiple phases, this problem will be sorted out. But it's not sorted out, it's getting worse than that. They're not getting medicines, they're not getting school education, they're living like cattle, and this is very sad. It's too little, too less.
Yes, sir.
It's 80 rupees per day. What are you giving the facilities?
Very true.
It's very sad. That is not enough, and that doesn't cover your school education, doesn't cover your food properly, your medicine cost, your various other things is required. It's not that only they eat rice and dal. It's not that. There are multiple things.
Very true, sir.
They moved out of their environment and they're living in a camp. I would say it's like a refugee camp.